I'm now at the Charleston Street Market. I'm going to try to start the video at the very beginning. This is the French Quarter. This kind of is reminiscent of New Orleans. They also have a street market like this in New Orleans. New Orleans claims to be the largest of the street markets. I don't think so. This looks pretty long too. So I'll try to start from the beginning of it. The weather looks deceptively nice. Oh, crab house. But it's also cold. There's a oyster seafood place here. I might try it later on. Okay, I think this is the start, the beginning of the market right here. So I'm going to start from the very beginning, which starts on East Bay Street. And you can see the United States Customs house right there. Saw that from my river cruise this morning. So I'm going to start from right here, the Charleston City Market. Okay. This is bigger than the New Orleans one. New Orleans claims to have the biggest one, but this is bigger. This is more functional. Basket weaving. This is definitely bigger. Wow. This is bigger. I even have paintings here. Wow, this is a really big market. And it's indoor. So you get protected from the elements. With bathrooms, ATM machine. Wow. Little baby. Wow, that's a huge dog. Sweets. Butterflies. Oh.
sure they all look good. You're so welcome.
Kidding me?
I want
Is this something or
I want a runner with something you would done.
Real cool. No dogs, no bikes, no smoking. I did see a dog earlier. That dog looked more like a horse. Wow, this looks really nice. Got all kind of nice stuff here. They open 9:30 a.m. except for Christmas. Just bumped into somebody. This is nice. You gotta come to this market. They have all kind of stuff. Antiques. Oh, that's beautiful.